Alright, here we are back at the 4 Points by Sheraton in Monterrey, Mexico, and I'm sure you all remember these elevators. That's right, these are KONE. And so you all remember these elevators, and I'm doing a retake of this, and it's been 11 years later, and these are still the same. We got the right one, and the buttons switched, and so we're gonna do rolling out right because these are key carded. Pase. Oh.
Ya no, entonces así como que...
Oh.
Y Fernando me dijo, no.
Pase. These are KONE installed in 2003.
Ella te está requiriendo. No, y ya. Dije, ¿sabes qué? No, pues por más que le traté de digerir la información y los resultados. No logramos. No se logró.
That's it. Right. These are KONE installed in 2003, so these still the buttons these are modernized, so yeah. Such a nice elevator. And this is the only right because these floors are key carded. Look at the mirror. Hey, you know, here are the fixtures with the key sensor, the indicator, and up there's Big Brother. So you're at PB. Alright, we're gonna get the other one. Can I go for a ride? Alright, we're going to the 12th floor this time. I'm gonna get the view from the top, so. Alright, so a lot has changed since we last been here, so there it goes for now. So yeah, the hallway is renovated, so look at that, it's in such a new look. Look at that. So the hallway is renovated, and right there you still have the EST Justice fire alarm. And so yeah, the elevator entrance is still the same. Different lighting. There's your smoke detector. Look at the mirror. Hey, and here's your hotel's telephone, which is for emergency use. And out here is your beautiful view of Monterrey. There's the mountain. Chipinque right there. And so there's your streets down there. There's Galerias. So yeah, and right there's the Sears, which is a store that has not been renovated yet, but I'm sure it may be. So, and right there's your Hampton Inn, where we filmed the Mitsubishi elevators, and look at these buildings, y'all. So I want you to look at this precious view. So yeah. All right, and then there's Parque Insurgentes, and the bridge was normally located down there, but unfortunately, which it connected to Plaza Galerias, but unfortunately it's now removed. So yeah, so for the people, you're gonna have to walk that street right there. And there's the former Dokes, which sadly closed down, and I think it's gonna be something else soon. So It's a nice day here in Monterrey. And right down there is where it used to be Soriana. So, all right, well, let's call it back down now. And then look at this. The bun changed. There's quite a few changes. Huh. Bun doesn't work up here. And I think I don't know which one's coming, so but I think the bun seems to be burned out. But I hear one coming. Strange. I'm stuck up here. So yeah. These KONE elevators still live on. It's just everything's almost the same. It's still the same, but except the buttons are the only ones that have been replaced. So with these, because back then it was without this kind of smell thing. So, all right, here's this one. All right, same cab still, down to PB, and we'll land there. And the alarm bell button is still the same though. So, all right, a really nice KONE elevator. There's Big Brother right there, and right here are the fixtures and the indicator. So yeah, hear that alarm bell. Sounds cool. So here at PB.
¿No funcionaba?
No, está funcionando.
¿Sí?
Sí. No se confundan. Sí, sí, está funcionando. Nada más quería subirle un sonidito. Pero bueno, alright. So, sorry about that, guys. So, yep. So these are the elevators. That's still the same. And I just wanted to press the alarm. So, everything is almost still the same. So, hey now. So, your bin right here. And there's your, I think it's a ballroom. So, yeah. Alright, well, anyways, there they both go. And that's it.